Hi everyone. Today we are discussing about the signal processing of real sinusoids. Already in previous class discussing, once again we are discussing briefly real sinusoids. A a continuous time signal. Real sinusoids is a function of the form of x of t equal to cos omega t plus t. These are the different formulas and different waveforms when we are using to simplifying or using further applications. That's why we know the different signals and different formulas and different waveforms, and where it is used and why we are using and what are the importance of these type of signals. That's why we are in frequently know the different formulas and different waveforms and different characteristics and different meanings. So in that process we are discussing real sinusoids. A continuous time real sinusoid is a function of the form of x of t, a cos omega t plus theta, where a, omega and theta are the real constants. Such function is periodic with fundamental period t equal to 2 pi by mod omega and fundamental frequency mod omega. A real sinusoidal plot resembling that is shown in below. That means the wave is occupies both left and right sides a cos omega t plus theta. Only a cos theta is occupies in the left side. A cos omega t plus theta occupies both the left and right sides. Next topic is complex exponentials. Complex exponentials. A continuous time signal complex exponential is a function of the form of x of t equal to a e power lambda t, where a and lambda are the complex constants, where t and lambda are the a and lambda are the complex constants. A complex exponential can exhibit one of a number of distinct modes behavior. What is complex? A complex exponential can be exhibits one of a number of distinct modes behavior. That means it will explain the individual behaviors of the waveforms depending on the values of its parameter a and lambda. So by with the help of area and lambda wavelength that is indicates a and lambda. By using a and lambda we can easily find out the distinct modes of behavior. For example, as a special cases, complex exponential include real exponentials and complex sinusoids. For example, these are the waveforms of real exponential. Here already we are discussing a complex exponential will exhibit the number of distance modes behavior depending on a and lambda. So that's why we are seeing the when lambda equal to 0, when lambda equal to less than 0, when lambda equal to greater than 0, how the wave will propagates from left side, right side, bottom side. So first we are explaining process of real exponential. A real exponential is a special case of complex exponential x of t equal to a lambda of t, where a and lambda are the restricted to be real numbers. Restricted means separated. Some special numbers restricted to be real numbers. A real exponential can be exhibits one of three distinct modes of behavior depending on the value of lambda. For example, lambda greater than 0, x of t increases, exponentially t increases. And lambda equal to greater than 0, t will be increases. That's why wave will be increases from left side to right side. If lambda equal to less than 0, x of t decreases, exponentially it increases. That means it will increases from right side to left side. For example, if lambda equal to 0, simply equal them constant. That means it will be depends on time. When we are increasing time, then will all area will be also increasing. So these are the three different behaviors of the signals. It depends on the lambda. That means wavelength. When we are changing the wavelength, then automatically the wave shape will be changes. Next one is complex sinusoids. Complex sinusoids. A complex sinusoid is a special case of complex exponential x of t equal to a into e power exponential x of t equal to a. Complex. A complex sinusoid is a special case of complex exponential x of t equal to a e power mod t lambda t, where a is a complex and lambda is purely imaginary. Purely imaginary. Purely imaginary. That is a continuous time complex sinusoidal is a function of the form x of t equal to a e into j power omega t, where a is a complex and omega is a real numbers. By expressing a is popular form of a equal to mod e power j theta, where theta is a real, and using Euler's relation, and using Euler's relation, we can rewrite x of t as x of t equal to mod cos omega t plus t, and imaginary term j mod sin omega t plus t. Here first one is real term x of t and second one is imaginary term. Thus real and imaginary terms are the same that is the real and imaginary terms are the same expect for all time shift. Also x is periodic with fundamental period t equal to 2 pi by mod omega and fundamental frequency mod omega. Unrelated waveforms of complex sinusoidal is shown in the below graphs. Here real and imaginary waveforms we are seeing. First one is cos, second one is sin. The angles of first one is cos omega t plus theta and second one is sin omega t plus theta. First one is cos omega t plus theta and second one is sin omega t plus theta. Here first wave is represents real term and second wave is represents imaginary term. First wave is represents real term and second one is represents imaginary term. So these are the complex sinusoidal waves and different formulas of complex sinusoidals and real exponentials and complex exponentials and real sinusoidals. These are the four types of signals and four types of equations, and four types of signals and four types of related waveforms. So in this signals and systems chapter, we know the behavior of the signals with respect to time and frequency or wavelength lambda. Next class we are discussing more topics. Thank you.